My name is Quintin Fitzgerald, and I'm here with
Cindy Manikowski and
Gene Eckelberg.
and we are the NDSU Computer Science Capstone, sponsored by GrandFarm. The groups that are involved are GrandFarm, Microsoft FarmVibes, NDSU Agriculture, and the NDSU Capstone.
the goals for this project were to collect bands of satellite data from Landsat and Sentinel-2. From this, we would create CSV files for each of the farms provided with the satellite and NDSU Ag data. This data is then run through a lazy predict Python script to determine the optimal model for carbon sequestration. This data is then put into a PostgreSQL database for GrandFarm. And the last thing we were to provide suggestions to Microsoft FarmVibes for usability on their product.
The technology used in this project consists of Python, the modules GDAL, OGR, and OSR, PostgreSQL for our database, FarmVibes AI for collecting satellite data, and at the end of the project, we also used Google Earth Engine to provide satellite data. On the right, you can see a script which was used to create the CSV files with the corresponding raster bands provided by the satellite data collection engines.
For our project, there were 3 final deliverables. The first would be to GrandFarm, and that was our database and the procedure documents. The second was to NDSU Agriculture, and it is our model prediction accuracy. The third is to FarmVibes, and it is a feedback document.
The database and procedure documents to GrandFarm, you can see on the left is the ERD for the PostgreSQL database. We have that database currently stored in the Azure account that the Capstone team used. We will be transferring that to GrandFarms when they have a platform ready for that. We will also be creating a GitHub account for all the code that was used on the project, so a new team could easily grab the data without a steep learning curve.
For NDSU Agriculture, the model prediction accuracy contains 27 outputs of models with adjusted R-square and R-squared values. These are from 3 farms in North Dakota, in Amenia, Davenport, and Leonard, for 3 dependent variables of total, inorganic, and organic carbon. And the 3 trials consisted of NDSU Ag data, satellite data, and both NDSU Ag data and satellite data.
Our final deliverable is our feedback to FarmVibes. It's going to be a document regarding the team's positive and negative experiences with the tool FarmVibes AI. This includes any recommendations for improvement, as this product is still in an early phase of development.